Introducing the Futuro, a solution of the future. With its innovative features, touchscreen interface and compact design, its sophisticated look will enhance any establishment. Designed from the ground up, the Futuro sets itself apart from all other beverage solutions, with innovative features resulting in a satisfying user experience and high-quality beverages. Its fully dynamic touchscreen allows users to alter their coffee strength and milk level, allowing each drink to be customized to the user's taste. The Futuro offers on-screen advertising, allowing you to showcase your company's services and communicate key messages to internal staff, or directly to your customers, offering additional revenue stream opportunities. This sophisticated solution also offers full telemetry reporting through the Wi-Fi interface, allowing you to view machine maintenance statuses and drink sales from anywhere in the world. Discover the Futuro today, a solution of the future.